Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm here on my roof and I have this coffee maker and I'm going to be dropping it off the roof for 10 subscribers. So guys, please subscribe. Okay guys, I collected all the pieces. Now I'm gonna destroy it. Stupid coffee maker. Use a sledgehammer again. Oh! I got the motherboard here. Look at that.
Now that's a lot of damage!
Here's the motherboard.
Bruh.
Break all those circuits up. What the heck? This thing is spilling out water or something. More pieces. That's what you get. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. See you next week.
What the?